Listening to the Brad Paisley alcohol song for this class, it really surprised me as I've heard this song many times as I'm a huge country fan. And I've never actually listened to the lyrics, but then I also was looking that it did come out in 2009, so I was probably too young to understand what alcohol was and how it affects the body. So I didn't realize this song is pretty spot on. I really liked how it kept saying I can make white people dance, because that's the fun aspect of alcohol, but then it's um, and you've had the best times with me that you'll never remember, which not really a good thing. But it also showed the bad effects, getting into fights, getting pregnant because you're not absolutely aware of what's going on and what you're doing. So those things, it talked about the bad and the good things of alcohol. But I think that people just need to be cautious about how much they're drinking, because that song might not affect everyone and it not be the same for everyone. But the lyrics were really spot on with the things that it does make you do, and the things that you won't remember, because you choose to drink alcohol and get to that point where those things occur.